Hello, good morning. Today, 25th of April 2023, heading towards the end of the month. We had an amazing trade this morning on dollar CAD. What a beautiful trade. Let me explain to you guys how I analyze the market. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. That's the pretty straightforward this morning, as explained to my trade. If you look at the previous candlestick pattern, we have this one. If you look at this is the bullish engulfing candle pattern. So we were expecting this breakout trade, guys. And if you look at the previous price action, we have this impulsive and we have sort of like a correction. So we were expecting another push based on the previous price action. That's what exactly happened. And let me share with you guys how I analyze the entry there. This is the live or intraday system. So we were expecting, as explained to my trader, look for this breakout, or within this breakout, we were also expecting this pullback. And as soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA in 4 hour, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So you can see, based on this analysis, pretty straightforward, looking for pullback. That's the this level, and you can see here price nicely developed pullback, even the price nicely broken, and after the breakout price nicely hit to the profit target. And now that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. I hope you enjoyed this analysis, but you can enjoy more if you watch all this analysis in real time. So most welcome, guys, join our fast growing trader community. Have a safe trading and wish you all the best.